Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Android version and which app handles calls. This matters because manufacturers alter menus. Once you know that, open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu or settings gear. You want to reach call settings or block numbers now. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're using the primary dialer app, otherwise the blocked list may be in Contacts or a third-party app, so switch apps now and proceed. Once in Settings, scroll to Blocked Numbers or Call Blocking. You'll see a list of entries and possibly numbers marked as spam. Tap an entry to view options, remove, unblock, or edit. If the number is a contact, open the contact and choose Unblock or Edit, then Remove Block. If you used a carrier or third-party spam filter, open that app and check its block list. Make sure to remove the number there as well, otherwise it will stay blocked. You now select each number and choose Unblock or Remove. Confirm when prompted so changes take effect immediately. Once done, make sure to restart the phone app or reboot the device. This forces settings to sync. Test by having the contact call you or use an alternate number. If the call still fails, clear the dialer app cache, check any carrier-side blocks, or update your OS. These steps fix lingering blocks and ensure the unblock actually propagates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.